Prophetess Ruth Makandiwa.
Mama, you are anointed and called for a special and specific task by God. The Holy Spirit to be with you always.
She glows with the presence of God. Persevering, you are a woman with strong faith.
Pushing through hard times and keeps going because you believe God.
And He always comes through for you. Generous, you are given, always seeking to help others.
Even if it means you have got to provide for your own needs. You are hospitable. You are a woman of faith.
Possessing the gift of hospitality, receiving others into your home,
and catering to their needs.
Happy birthday, Prophetess Makandiwa. We love you so much.
Happy birthday.